Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can start working on your Groove Pages design right from scratch. And this is the latest video of including all of its updates in Groove Page Builder, whatever the updates have been done in recent couple of months. So let's jump in. First step is I'm going to create a new slide and I'll just start from scratch. This is a demo one. Now when you land up on this page, the first thing that you should be doing is creating your global blocks. This is global block. Go to this and click on this plus icon over here. What it will do is it will create a new block page on the canvas, and so you can start working on its design. So what all things that we need in a website are basically navigation bar, footer, and all different blocks in between that. So navigation and footer are like global for all different pages. We'll be designing on that, or we'll be designing these blocks first so that we don't have to work on it again and again. So go to this navigation bar and you will find a ton of some different templates from here, and on this modern tab, this is recently added, so we'll look for something from here. I like this one, so I'll just start from this. So we have this one added. Suppose we want to make some changes on this, so we'll just on this tool icon, second one, and we can change this image. So suppose I want to use my website's logo over here instead of that one. I'll just replace that. Since it is white color, the primary settings, I even have a black one. Let's use that one. Now I can see that the size of the logo is quite less, and I want a bigger size logo. I just go to this right side panel over the sizes, and here you will see the fixed height. Fixed height means the vertical height of this logo is set to 40 pixels right now. We will just increase it to around 20 pixels maybe, or even less than that. 100 pixels is fine. And yes, so after that we'll have to change this color theme from here. So when you click on this anywhere in this block, you will see a kind of hierarchy at the bottom. So topmost hierarchy is block. Inside this body is this entire canvas where everything is kind of put and it's displayed on the website. Then there comes block. Block is this block, navigation block, then hero block, and all these different blocks. Here are these part of blocks, and then comes a container which contains all the elements, inside elements within a specific size of the screen. So right now you can see this is I'm on this desktop mode on top, and since this toggle bar is switched on, so the every all the changes will be applied to all these devices. So if you want to optimize it for phone, then we'll have to go to this phone device and we'll have to turn this off, and then we'll have to change the size of the font maybe, or anything else, whatever we want. We'll go to that thing later on. Right now I want to change the color theme of this navigation bar first. So I'll turn this on so that all my changes will be applied to all these devices also. So first of all, I want to change this underline, then you can see over here that this green color dot is shown besides this border. That means there is this setting, something is inside this border settings that is applied onto this text element. And then there is this spacing setting is also applied. So we'll go over to these things first. So first thing is border. We can see here that the width is 2 pixel and the color is green right over here. So what I can do is I can pick the color code from my this Chrome plugin. This is the Colorzilla, I guess. Colorzilla, yeah. Now click on this color tool and go to this hex bar option and just control paste as plain text. It will apply over there. And if you want to save this color to inside your favorites, then you can save it by clicking on this plus icon. So it will be saved for until you are using this session basically. Then we'll use that red color for this buttons also. Make sure to turn the transparency up to like 10% for this thing, and for this one I'll set it 8. And then the hover settings, we have this hover settings as green, darker green, heavy. So I'll just use my red color again on the hover, and then go to spectrum, go to this HSL, which is hue, saturation and lightness. So on the light you can decrease by clicking on the down arrow on the keyboard, or you can increase it by clicking on the upward arrow keyboard. So click on that. If you can see that there is a slight change on it that way, and that way you can change the color of your icon and create a hover kind of effect of it. For this also we'll have to change the hover color. So again I'll go back to that one. Then maybe I'll use 20% transparency. Now you can see that all the things look good. For this one we have hover with the border. So there is this border set to white, red, or changes to red. This is what we want. Let's see. Then we have this one also. So I will give you a pro tip over here. What you can do is once you have applied all the changes on the design, all the design changes settings on this text element, you can go to this global style option and you can set a global style for this. So since this is a navigation link, I will just save it as nav link. And then for this one, if I want to change this or design the styling of this text element, I can simply go to this global style and switch over to this nav link, and then it will be selected like that. So that's kind of a time saver for you. Yeah. So that's it for this navigation bar settings. Click save. And save and exit. So yeah, we have created a global block. We'll just rename it as navigation bar, and just I want to use this one, so I'll just click on this block first, and on the global blocks I will see this navigation bar, and then just by clicking on that I will be that navigation bar will come over here. So that's it for this video. I'll talk about more about this the other settings, other blocks, the next tutorial. Thank you.